This video will comprehensively guide you on how to use the city modeling function of RHIKNOWBOT. The video is in two parts: what city can do and detailed explanation of city functions. What can city do? City consists of two parts: urban roads and building blocks. Generate urban roads in a click. Quickly define the road cross-section. In the user interface, assign the attributes to the curve, then generate the urban road in a click. Generate building blocks in a click. Assign attributes such as building form, floor area ratio, and building density to the land parcel, then generate the building blocks in a click. Detailed explanation of city functions. Define the road cross-section. Click the Define Road button. Drag the leisure area icon into the dotted box below. Drag the sidewalk icon into the dotted box below. Similarly, drag other required cross-sections into the dotted box. You can place a new cross-section in the dotted box to replace the old one. Note, both sides of the road must have sidewalk curbs. Click the icon button to activate the attribute pop-up window. The width value controls the width of the leisure area. Expand the streetlight expander to display detailed attributes. Select the streetlight to be placed in the streetlight type. Lamp distance controls the distance between two adjacent streetlights. Lamp offset controls the distance of the streetlight from the edge of the road cross-section. The greenery and seats expanders also have similar parameters. Click Confirm after making changes. Other road cross-sections also have similar parameters. In the lane cross-section, there are three special parameters. The minimum lane width is the smallest size of each driveway. If you uncheck one way, a two-way lane will be in default. If you check reverse, the lane direction will be reversed to the opposite direction. Click Set to confirm the edited road not clicked here. Click Export to save the road cross-section to the local. The pop-up window shows the saved location. Assign the road cross-section to the curve. There are 6 built-in road types. Select the curve, select the type of road, and click the Apply button to apply. Assign different attributes to all curves. Generate urban roads in a click. Click the Generate Road button and select the curve for which the road is to be generated. Wait for a while. It takes a moment to generate the detailed model of the urban roads. Generate building blocks in a click. Click the Building Block button to switch the mode. Click the Generate Block button to display the block pop-up window. Click Construct button, then select the surface for which the block is to be generated. The detailed model of the building block is automatically generated. Edit the setback distance, floor area ratio, and building density. Then select another group of land parcels and automatically generate 3D building block models. The building form can be switched between point and determinant building types. After modifying the parameters, select the remaining land parcels. Generate building blocks again.